We'll guide you through how to make text italic in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your Alight Motion on your device and allowing the app to load for a moment. Once the application is ready, go to the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Select the settings for your project according to your needs. After choosing the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Once the project has been created, go to the plus button and press Text on the bottom right to add a new text layer to the timeline. After the text layer appears, type your desired text into the text box. When your text has been entered, set the alignment based on your needs. You can choose the alignment that best fits your project layout. Next, adjust the size of your text until it looks the way you want. After setting the size, adjust the text box so the characters can spread out properly within the available space. This helps ensure that the text is displayed clearly. Once the text box is adjusted, set the color of the text based on your preference. Choose any color that matches the style of your project. To make the text italic, go to the font option. Browse through the available fonts and pick one that you like. For example, you can choose the 𝗟𝗏𝗘 font family. After selecting the font family, look for an italic version of that font. For example, if you selected 𝗟𝗏𝗘, you can choose 𝗟𝗏𝗘 Light Italic. The italic version of the font will apply a slanted style to your text and give it the italic appearance. Continue browsing through the font options if you want to try different italic styles. Many font families include their own italic variations. Once you choose an italic version of the font, the text will immediately display in italics.